Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to connect your calendar to your Notion taskbar, your Google Calendar. So let's get started with the video. So once you're on the homepage of the Notion, what you need to do is you need to click on this add new icon that you will see and write the name as calendar. You can add calendar here, and post that you can click on build calendar with AI. So basically it will start creating the calendar page. Wait for few seconds. So once it's been done, what you need to do is you will see a calendar page icon over here at the left side under private. As you can see, I have already created it. So once you click on that particular page, you will see a plus icon, that is add a page inside a page over here. What you need to do here, you will see various options like get started with ask AI, meet, database, form. You need to click on this three horizontal line over here, dots over here, and you will get an option of calendar. Once you have clicked on this calendar, the calendar will automatically get synced. You need to click on this open in calendar. So once you will click on this open in calendar, it will connect to your Google Calendar over here from which email you have been logged in. And you can see the Notion calendar here being synced to your Google Calendar. You can see all the meetups that have been assigned in your Google Calendar here as it's been syncing. So this is how basically you can connect your Google Calendar to Notion's dashboard. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.